Yeah, I'm just going to go back to lines. So I'm going to pick up a single line. I'll draw it. So I've clicked anywhere on the screen, freestyle. And I'm going to hold the shift key down and it will draw orthogonally. That just sets the angle without you having to type it. Release the shift key, tab into the length box. Let's pick I don't care what the number is actually, a weird number. Oh, I do that every time. Put that in again. I don't care what the length is. But what I want to do is divide that up into 12 equal spaces. So that we can snap to any of the 12. Now TurboCAD's got a very good tool for doing this. You select the line, then you select this edit tool. Sorry, you select the edit tool first, then you select the line. You then type in the divide box as many times as you want, 12. But you then do a right button on the line again, and you go down to divide segments. And it will divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 divisions. That's very, very powerful and quick. Because the old way of doing it on the drawing board was quite a pain, which I'm now going to show you how to do. So again, we'll pick a line up anywhere we like. And we want to, I'll delete that one that TurboCAD did. And we want to divide that up into 12. On the drawing board, you traditionally, I'm going to choose a different colour to work in now so I don't get confused with the original line. You traditionally drew a line of obliquely anywhere you liked, about 30 degrees. It doesn't matter. But then you divide that line up. You set your compasses to any division you like. You never measure like 10 millimeters or anything like that. So you just set it up to like that. And what you do is you then transfer that on TurboCAD. You basically pick the circle. You get the yellow dot in the center, the control point. You left button mouse down on it. Then you hold the control key down and just copy it over, and I'm moving it and snapping it. There are other ways of doing it, but this is just the way I do it. So basically I'm looking for 12 equal divisions. In fact, so bear with me, I'll keep at it. So it looks a bit messy, but because this is all construction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you took a line from there to the 12th division. So that's V to I. Okay, and then you draw parallel that line on each one of those divisions. So to do that, I'm going to basically, again, I'll just keep copying this parallel line down, just like that. There you'll find we've now got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've got 12 equal divisions of our original line now. It's a quite tedious method compared to the modern CAD techniques.